Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable captions on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you open up the video in question, if you see there's captions on the screen, so you can see it right here, go ahead and just left click on the captions that appear. There should be an area that says Show Captions Auto-Generated. You can toggle this on or off depending on your preference. And then you can also go about editing the captions if they are your own video. And that's all you have to do. So if a video does have captions enabled or there's a capability for it, but you have it disabled here, you can select right here to either turn it on or off, again, depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.